Hi guys, we are in the car going to run some errands. Say hi.
Hi.
Hi. Let's see, today's Saturday. If you missed the last few vlogs, welcome. I moved to Charleston 1 week ago from today, so we're still getting the apartment furnished and figured out. But if you saw, I think it was 2 vlogs ago, no, last vlog, we got bar stools. They're not gonna work, we're returning them. So we're back at home, which I'm not mad about. I love it here. The bar stools are in the back. We may look at other ones, or we may still be without bar stools for a little while, but it's fine. I have some updates to show. I got a shoe rack. So yeah, we're making progress. We found the last 3 in the store. These are nice, I like.
They gotta fix that.
Yeah. We found the last one at the bottom of this stack, all the way back there. Apartment updates. The bar stools work. Definitely a much better height than the other ones. And I like them. I like the color. Kitchen's all done, officially. More updates. In here, we hung the curtains. I need to steam them, but we got these curtains. I will say they were advertised as blackout, and they're not giving blackout. But it definitely helps because there's like a lot of light that comes in at night, like a street lamp that stares directly at us when we're sleeping. So this should help with that. The curtain rod and curtains are all from At Home. Over here, I set up my new shoe rack. This is from Amazon. I'll link it below, but it's just like a 3-tier shoe rack. I got the longer version, so it fits all my shoes. I put like sneakers, boots, a few pairs of heels down here that are just like chunkier. And then also on the back of my door, I have this hanging shoe rack. So this is more for like smaller heels, sandals, stuff like that. But I think it works really well. It fits a lot. I am getting ready for the night. We're going out on the town tonight. I'm actually so excited because we've been here a week and we haven't really done anything like Charleston yet. We've literally just been at like Costco or doing stuff around our apartment, so it hasn't even really felt like we are in Charleston necessarily. So tonight we have a late dinner reservation. It's at 8:45 at this place called Renzo. We actually were gonna go to this place back when we visited here in May, and literally the reason was because it's called Renzo's and my boyfriend's name is Lorenzo. We were like, oh, we should go here, and it's also like Italian food, which is his favorite, and we were here for his birthday in May. I think they're known for their pizza, but they have like pastas, apps, you know, typical nice Italian restaurant. But it ended up not working out that trip, so we've been saying that our first restaurant that we go to as residents of Charleston is going to be Renzo. We're going there tonight, but I think we're going to head out a couple hours before our reservation and go to 1 or 2 bars before, and maybe just kind of walk around downtown. So I'm excited. I also have never been to Charleston during the Christmas season, and we haven't really like walked around downtown much yet, but I feel like there are a lot of little Christmas pop-ups or markets or bars. So I kind of want to keep an eye out for anything like that and just get like a feel for Charleston during Christmas time. I have quite literally like 1 million places saved around Charleston that I want to go to. I save everything on Google Maps, so anytime I get a recommendation or like see something on TikTok or Instagram that looks good, like a restaurant or a bar or a coffee shop or a store, anything like that, I save it to Google Maps, and I have different folders for different things. So I have like a Charleston dinner restaurants, Charleston brunch spots, Charleston coffee shops. You get the gist. But I'll put a screenshot of like my Google Maps of Charleston because it's honestly like overwhelming. But this is just the best system because I used to keep track of like recommendations like that in my notes app, and I would just have a note. I think I had one for New York, so it would be like bulleted out like NYC restaurants, whatever. That was helpful if I was ever looking for a place to make a reservation in advance, because I would just go to the list and like pick one that I hadn't been to. But I found it difficult whenever I was out like in the city and I wanted to just kind of spontaneously find a bar or like something to go to, I couldn't like filter it by location or anything. So I started saving everything to my Google Maps, and that way, let's say you're out with the girls downtown and you're like, okay, what's the next spot? You can go on your Google Maps and see what you have saved nearby your location. And it just makes it very easy to like keep track of places that I want to go to. And even though that map looks very overwhelming, I can like filter it and just look at Charleston dinner restaurants or just look at Charleston bars. So I'm only seeing like whatever I need, and that makes it a little more manageable. Literally anytime I see a TikTok or something where I'm like, ooh, that looks good, I want to refer back to that, I always save it in my Google Maps right away so I don't forget about it. So all that to say, I think I'm gonna just look and find a few bars that I have saved on Google Maps to go check out before we head to dinner. I'm in the mood for like a cute little cocktail, maybe something kind of festive for the holidays. Very excited to do something fun after a long week of unpacking and moving. So I'm gonna finish doing my makeup. I'll show you guys my outfit before we head out, and then I'll take you along on our night out. Ready, wearing a very simple outfit. This top is from Naked. Jeans are made well, they're like a flare situation, and then just wearing black boots that are old from Revolve. Bag is JW Pay, and I'm gonna throw on a coat because it's actually really cold. I moved from New Jersey to Charleston for it to be the same temperature. Confused about that, but I think it's just a particularly cold week along the East Coast everywhere. So I'm gonna put on a coat and head out. got a chai bun and a raspberry Pop-Tart. Yeah. Happy Sunday! We're having ourselves a little Sunday fun day, if I do say so myself. So this morning we went and got coffee at the Daily, which is my favorite coffee shop here. And then we had to run a few errands. We just went to Target to make a return and then Costco to grab a few groceries. But now we are heading to Folly Beach actually. We haven't been to the beach yet since being here. Obviously it's December, but today's actually supposed to be pretty nice. It's gonna get up to the 60s and it's sunny out. And there's this bar on Folly Beach. It's just like a sports bar, but the owners must be from Philly or something because they're like a Philly bar. So like Eagles, Phillies, all the games you can watch there and everyone's like Philly fans. So my boyfriend's from Philly, so he's an Eagles fan. Therefore, I am Eagles fan adjacent. Don't care about sports, but it is fun to like have a team to cheer for, I suppose. So I have my hat and we're gonna go and just watch the game there and then grab like some bar football food for lunch. And then we may walk around Folly a little bit just to kind of explore and be by the water for a little bit. So I'm just wearing this sweater that is super old. I thrifted it years ago. Jeans are Zara. New Balance sneakers. I feel like I'll probably be fine in a sweater, but I'm gonna bring a denim jacket just in case, since we are gonna be close to the beach. It might be like colder and windier. But yeah, I'm excited. We're having a fun little day, so let's go. It's like early sunset almost. Oh, I'll take pictures. Is that where we played catch or no? Doggies, I want to take Lennon here. This is perfect time for Lennon.
You have to get with a retractable lead.
Yeah, I will. Show your shell. We got t-shirts. Nice. New furniture. We got this on Facebook Marketplace just now and it's so perfect. I've been looking for some sort of console table or like cabinet to go here as like an entryway thing, mainly just to like throw our keys on and throw shoes in a little section. So this is literally perfect and it was a Facebook Marketplace find. I'm gonna use this drawer as like a purse refill station. I need to stock it up, but I can keep like lip balm, hand sanitizer, gum, stuff like that in here. And then I just put all my sunglasses in here for now. But it's so perfect. And then I need to get treats for Kitty, but I usually keep Kitty's treats in this small one and then Lennon's treats in here. So that's what these are for. And then we just put our flowers over here. I hung this mirror up that is from my old apartment, but it's from Target years ago. And it's such a good little like entryway station. Also, we got these slides today at Costco. They were $10. So we got matching slides. They're like little cushiony slides. I love them. Obviously, we'll keep all of our shoes in the closets, but this is good because I have a really bad habit of throwing off my shoes when I get in the door and then like them piling up next to the door. So this is like a good place to keep my most used shoes.